student, good morning to all. Let us start your online study. So student, take out your computer book and open your chapter number 7. Chapter 7, File Management in Windows 10. Students, in the previous classes, we have studied an overview of Windows 10 and how to organize files and folders in it. Now, we shall study about the features of file management and some more things about working with files and folders in Windows 10. So, students, features of file management. As the name suggests, managing files and folders on a computer is known as file management. Let us now learn some features of file management. Saves times. When files are managed on a computer, it is easy to find it when need without wasting time. User-friendly. Organized files and folders are easy to locate, and then it will be easier for us to share them without any chores. Perform multiply. We can copy, paste, rename and delete any file or folder we want. Data security. When we know how to manage our files and folders, then it remains secure at one place and we can even learn how to create a backup of it. Creating a new file. There is always a need to use an application program to create a new file. For example, Word 2016 or PowerPoint 2016 are used to create a document file or a presentation file respectively. To create a Word document file in Windows 10, follow the step given below. Step number 1. Open Word 2016 and create a blank document. Step number 2. Type anything in the document. Step 3. Click the File tab and select the Save As option. The Save As dialog box appears. Step 4. Browse the folder in which we want to save the file. Type in a name for the file and save it. A new file is created. We can also create a blank file using the shortcut menu. Follow the given step to do the same. Step 1. Right click anywhere in the blank area in the folder where we want to create a new file. A shortcut menu appears. Step number 2. Place the cursor on the new option. A sub-menu appears. Step 3. Select the file type we want to create. A new file will appear with its name highlighted. Step 4. Rename the file and press the enter key. So students, uh, creating a new folders. To create a new folder on the desktop, follow the step given below. Step 1. Right click anywhere on the blank area on the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. Step 2. Place the cursor on the new option. A sub-menu appears. Select Step 3. Select the folder option. A new folder will appear with its name highlighted. Step 4. Rename it, press and the enter key. You can create a new folder by using the keyboard keys Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Copying or moving file or a folder. Copying a file or a folder means to create an identical file or folder like the one we are copying. Moving a file or a folder means changing its location. To copy or move a file or a folder, follow the step given below. Step number 1. Open this PC window and locate the file which we want to move or copy. Step 2. Right click on the selection and click cut. Press Ctrl plus X or copy. Press Ctrl plus C from the shortcut menu that appears. Step 3. Right click anywhere in the blank area of the folder where we want to copy or move the file or the folder. Step 4. Click the paste option. Press Ctrl plus V from the shortcut menu that appears. When we copy or cut a file or a folder, it moves the temporary memory storage area. This area is called clipboard. Renaming a file or a folder. When we change the name of an already named file or a folder, it is known as renaming. The rename any file or folder, follow the step given below. Step 1. Right click on the file or a folder that we want to rename. A shortcut menu appears. Step 2. Click the rename option or select the file and press the F2 key on the keyboard. The name of the file or the folder is highlighted. Step 3. Type a new name for the file or a folder and press the enter key. The file or a folder is renamed. Deleting a file or a folder. Every computer needs to be optimized regularly. In order to do so, we should always delete unwanted files or folder in our computer memory. To delete a file or a folder, follow any of the given steps. Select the file or the folder and press the delete key on the keyboard, or right click the file and select the delete option from the shortcut menu that appears. The file or the folder is moved to the recycle bin. Students, if we want to delete a file or a folder permanently from the computer, we can press the Shift plus Delete key on the keyboard. Then a dialog box will appear asking if we want to delete the file or a folder permanently. Click Yes if the file is to be deleted, or No if not. Be carefully while pressing the Shift plus Delete key, as we cannot recover the delete file. Then restoring a file folder. The files or folder which are deleted can be restored to their original locations. To restore a deleted file from the recycle bin, open the recycle bin folder, select the file folder you want to restore. Click on the Restore this item option on the toolbar, or right click on the file folder you wish to restore. Select the Restore option from the context menu. The selected file folder disappears from the recycle bin window and gets restored to its original location. So students, it's enough for today and this chapter. Read this chapter again and again. Goodbye.